Arbitration is where you have a third party. Typically, they are certified to do so. Most of them are attorneys or former attorneys or former judges, and they have decision-making authority. It can be binding or non-binding. If it's binding, then once the decision of the arbitrator is made, then the losing party can't go to court unless there's been some type of crucial error in the arbitration. And basically, the decision of the arbitrator is final. Non-binding arbitration, the arbitrator makes the decision, the losing party, and sometimes according to statute, has so many days, a lot of times it's 30 days, to file a suit after the arbitration order has been issued. Can take the matter to court, and the judge may or may not, depending on the circumstances, consider the decision of the arbitrator, but does not have to follow the decision of the arbitrator. So you present evidence. It varies from the type of issue it is to also the arbitrator you get on how much discovery they will allow, which is for one party to get access of information and exhibits and names and people that may be relevant witnesses. So it is almost like a smaller version or mini version of a trial, although some arbitrations are just as long and just as tedious as a regular trial. But it is a way to stay out of the court system, and that can be done voluntarily by the parties, or it can be done via an agreement that the parties have had. So there's a contract and it says you must go through arbitration, and that's binding or non-binding arbitration. And then also too, there are statutory considerations. Associations that are community associations are not-for-profit corporations, but they're still corporations. And condominiums in the state of Florida, in certain issues, before they are sued or before they can file suit, there are some instances where they are forced to go to non-binding arbitration, and it's through the state of Florida. And so it's a pre-litigation alternative dispute resolution where a third party makes a decision that may or may not be binding on the parties.